have you ever skateboarded before?
Many years ago.
I don't skate.
But years ago. You know, I never did longboard. So.
Do you surf or snowboard? Nothing. You think it's gonna be hard or no?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah? You don't know what foot you put forward? That one's good.
Are you ready?
See you later.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Awesome.
Super smooth.
I like that. Oh shit.
Yeah. Nice.
This shit is crazy. Oh, so yeah. Ah.
That's amazing.
Woo! Wow, yes. So cool. Beep beep.
Whoa, 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 whoa. We did it. Just too awesome. Okay, and take 10.
Super mellow, it's super easy to handle. It's fun, lots of fun.
It's quite easy. I did the fall, so.
I almost had an accident. No. Ich kann gerade ausfahren, voll gut.
Okay, I'm still alive.
Voll geil.
That is crazy, dude.
Ist nice. Sehr guter Ride.